In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 360 photo in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to publish a full panoramic view to a place's profile so others can explore the spot just like they're standing there. Before we start, make sure your 360 panorama is already saved to your phone's gallery. For best results, it should be a JPEG in an equirectangular format with a 2.1 aspect ratio, which is the standard for spherical images. If your photo comes from a 360 camera or a phone's panorama mode that supports 360 capture, it will usually be in the right format automatically. A quick check: the image should be exactly twice as wide as it is tall. Also, try to use a photo with clean stitching and good lighting and avoid faces, personal details, or license plates for privacy. First, launch the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Using the app is important because it connects your upload directly to the place you pick and makes publishing fast and straightforward. A stable internet connection will help the photo upload and process smoothly. Next, search for the specific business or landmark where you want your 360 photo to appear. Type the exact name, then select the correct result from the list. Take a second to confirm the details like the address and category to be sure you're attaching your photo to the right place. This step keeps the map accurate and helps people find reliable visuals when they browse. Once you're on that location's profile, scroll down until you see the Photos section. Tap the Photos tab, then choose Add Media or Add a Photo. Depending on your device and app version, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that lets you contribute your own images. If you're prompted to pick between camera and gallery, choose your gallery so you can select the 360 image you prepared earlier. Now select your 360 photo from your gallery and tap Add or Post to upload it. Google Maps will recognize the spherical format and handle the projection so viewers can pan around. If you see an option to add a brief description, keep it factual and relevant to the place. After posting, your photo may take a few minutes to process and sometimes longer to appear publicly as it goes through automated checks. You can return to the place's photo section later to confirm it's live. That's it. You've just added a 360 photo to Google Maps, helping others preview the location in an immersive way. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.